Right, I'm hoping this is going to work and I'm managing to record this for the children at home as well as the children in school. So I've just been hearing about some amazing learning that's been going on in school, and I know there'll be lots of amazing learning to look at on the website this week as well. So well done, all those people. It is week, now what week are we up to this week, do you think, Mrs. Wells, in lockdown?
Oh, 13.
Something like week 13 since we've been in normal school, and that's a really long time. So you're all doing so well, and I know it's tough. I know people at home have been at home and been in their houses for quite a long time, so you've got to be really, really proud of yourself for everything you're managing to do. And actually, I'm finding being at work helps me. It helps me carry on with my normal day. So keep on going, keep on doing your learning, because that will really help you get through this tricky time. So I want you all this weekend to have a really nice weekend, really be proud of everything you're doing and you're managing, and just remember that we're here, we all care about you, we love hearing about what everyone's doing every week, and hopefully things are getting easier, and we will hopefully be able to plan and look and wait for the Prime Minister to tell us when we can see everybody. So it's not going to be within the next couple of weeks, but just keeping in touch, and we'll just keep on trying our best to look after you and help you with your learning. So I'm going to say goodbye to the people at home and have a lovely weekend, and then I will stop recording and I will say goodbye to the people in school as well. So have a lovely weekend, everybody. Stay safe.